I'm going to show you how to turn this into this by watching videos online, and probably you can quit your day job. And the first step you need to do is to subscribe this channel that we talk about how you can make money online. So click the like button and subscribe, that will help the channel out. So let's go. Actually, nowadays it's easy to make money watching videos because it's a simple way and you can make a lot of money doing it. In this platform that I'm going to show you in this video, you can use all around the world, in India, in Africa, and everywhere you want, because you can receive in all type of payments in crypto and dollar and everything and PayPal. So actually everyone can do this. If you're watching this, you can make this money, but you got to follow the step by step that I'm going to show you right now. So let's go. Here you can see the payment proof that people are receiving from this platform. So it's a lot of money. So $6, 5, 34, 5, 11, 87, 528, 527. A lot of money you can make from this website. And the best thing about this is this website, for you to cash out, it's only $5. So it's pretty simple to cash out on this app. So the first thing you need to do is to go to YouTube and search for something that people are searching for. It really needs to be something that people are interested in. It needs to be something like a tutorial or something like this, because it will be easier for you to get money on this type of videos. In this case, I'm gonna show you a quest on game because I played this game and a lot of people are trying to do this quest. So I have a lot of people searching for it. So you can search how to complete the FIA quest and Elden Ring. So here you can see a lot of people search for it. 618,000 views. People really search for it. So this is what we are looking for. So I'm gonna use this video actually. Now we are copying the link. Here we are gonna register on this platform. It's pretty easy. I'm not going to show you how it's made because it's pretty simple. So I'm gonna register. Right, so here we are. Now we need to do a link to share. So we are going here to manage links, and all links actually is here in new shorten link. You click here, you paste your URL, and that's it. You click and shorten. So now this is your link. If you go down here, you're going to see the CPM that they are paying for. So here in United States, they're paying $8 for 1,000 people that came from your link. So that's pretty good. So how you're going to share this link to other people? There is an easy way to do it. It is sharing your link where the people that want to achieve are. So here we have an Elden Ring quest, and where you can post it is where the people that play this game are. For an example, I'm going here on Reddit because it's where a lot of people search for these things. So here you're going to post link, but how you're going to do it? If you search here for Elden Ring request, you're going to look for some people talking about it, and here is where you're going to post it in this topic. But you can't just send your link because no one is going to click it. So you need to get a text for it. And how you're going to do it? You're going to search for Elden Ring via quest. There is going to show some wiki, some of them. You can copy, let me search another one. This PC Gamer is a great website too for you to search if you're doing gaming content actually. So you can copy this thing, do it, that is talking about a quest, and you can post it on Reddit with this text, sharing your link of Shrink Me, and when people click on your link, you're gaining money. That's how you do it. If you want to make money with YouTube Shorts without making videos, you can click on this video, and I'm going to show you everything that you're going to do to make this money. So I'm leaving, see you next.